Hi there. Today I will be guiding you through how to write a review post with the help of Jasper. You can write a review post easily by using Jasper, and you don't have to go anywhere. If you take a look here, I get the help of ChatGPT. I ask to GPT, I want to write a review post on Jasper. So, suggest me something. GPT suggest product, and whatever I choose. Here you can see a t-shirt, but if you take a look on the Jasper, here I ask to Jasper, I want to write a review, and Jasper reply, sure, you just have to tell me, is it a product or service? For creating a review post, I need to use a specific template, or you can create a review post without using a template. Using a template can help to structure your review. So I asked to Jasper, just make a template which I can use, and below you can see the template provided by Jasper. Make sure you have each and single thing ready. So let me open my notepad. It's written template. I created it in ChatGPT. Now I will copy everything and I will paste in the Jasper. And again, on the last, I will ask to write a review post. Well, Jasper is writing a complete review post. So here is the complete review post written by the Jasper. Stylish cotton t-shirt review. It is the first impression done by the Jasper. This one is the key feature and benefit, and if I scroll down more, you will see multiple things. So if you want Jasper to write a review post, then make sure you have a template just like I have. If you don't have, then copy-paste mine for your product review. And after you do, you can write a review post with the help of Jasper, just like me. Now, copy-paste and sell your product wherever you want, whether you want to sell it on Shopify or on Amazon. And that's it.